Hey guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time, like I say often, we're gonna do something special, but we're gonna do still an abstract, but we're gonna do it, well, almost like a regular painting if you want. We're gonna use a brush, and well, sometimes people does that, don't use always brush, they use a coffee stick or something like that. So what we're gonna do, I already prepared my canvas. So what we're going to do, it's a skyline of a city with the reflection on water. You're going to see it's a very simple way to do some great painting and some great art, abstract art, without too much effort. Because like you know, abstract is relative. I mean it's subjective, but you can do great things with small, using small technique. You're going to see it's a very fast technique. We're going to mix acrylic, 2/3 of acrylic for 1/3 of white glue. What it does, and we're going to put a few drops of silicone. What it does, it does small cells, so it's going to replicate the window in the building we're going to make. So you're going to see, I think it's an easy way to go at it. And you're going to say, I hope it's going to be great. But let's see. Let's go at it and we'll see. guys, another one done. Well, I have to tell you that I'm very satisfied with the result. Well, as you might have seen, it's a lot of work. It's very different from the dirty pouring of the flip cup we usually do. But I wanted to do something a bit different. I think we got it. Listen, there's a lot of technique. The one which I use is a simple one with a brush, because I'm more used to work with a brush. But there's people that use cardboard, pieces of cardboard or paper even. But I did try it, as you might have seen, and frankly I don't like it. So I stuck with my brush, which I'm used to. So I think it's nice. When you do the reflection on water, you put a little bit less, almost no acrylic on your brush. Then you do a wiggle, if you want, just to simulate the wave on the water. So I think it's nice. I think, as you saw, I did put some correction and some more details afterwards, once the canvas was dry. So anyway, guys, I hope you liked it, because I sure did. Another way to go to do an abstract. I think it's nice. I think it would be also nice to do some real building and everything. I think it would be nice also. But as an abstract, it's not much less work. It's a little bit less, but still very nice. So guys, I hope you liked it, and I hope you're going to try it. Take your time. You can do other subject if you want. You can put trees, and you do the same thing to do the reflection on water. So it's also very fun to do. So guys, on that note, please come back, and like always, subscribe, leave a comment, and share. It's always appreciated. So see you on the next video. Take care. Ciao.